A QDF backup file is your financial safety net. A backup copy of your entire Quicken database containing accounts, transactions, and budget data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you restore or manage these financial data backup files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the QDF backup file. I'll reveal it at the end. QDF backup. Files are backup copies of Quicken financial data files containing complete account information, transaction histories, investment records, budgets, and financial reports. They provide disaster recovery protection for your personal financial data managed in Quicken. Quicken QDF backup files are copies of the proprietary QDF database format, storing account registers with transaction details, category assignments, transfer links, reconciliation status, and investment portfolio data. They preserve the exact state of the financial database at backup time. The official utility recommended for the QDF backup file is Quicken by Quicken Inc. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated proprietary application is necessary. Windows doesn't display backup contents, so you must use a tool capable of restoring that format. Your first move is to test the obvious. Right-click your QDF backup file and choose Open With. Use Quicken if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. We are performing a quick elimination test. If your QDF backup file is not opening yet, that is normal. Only the most difficult files make it this far. We must now test these known failure areas to get a definitive answer on the problem's origin. First, restoring the backup. Open Quicken and navigate to File, then Restore Backup. Browse to your QDF backup file and select it. Choose a destination for the restored file. Quicken will restore the complete financial database to the state captured at backup time. Next, Managing Backups. Configure automatic backups in Quicken under Edit, then Preferences, then Backup. Set the backup frequency and maximum number of backup copies to retain. Store backups on an external drive or cloud storage for protection against local disk failures. Finally, verifying backup integrity. Periodically test your QDF backup files by restoring them to a temporary location and opening in Quicken. Verify that account balances, transaction histories, and investment data are complete and accurate. Delete test restorations after verification to avoid confusion with active data. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-Zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.